Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is my experience about taking initiative. Ladies and gentlemen, year 2012, I was working with an organization in Gurgaon, and the name of the organization was IT Source Technologies. Now, on behalf of this organization, I was working as on-site network support engineer at Just Dial Sector 16, Noida. They were our clients, and my responsibility was to sit at my client location and look after management of all the network devices of that particular company, Just Dial Sector 16, Noida. So I used to go to that office location, Sector 16 Noida, on daily basis. It was a 9 to 5 job with Sunday fixed off, and my responsibility was to look after all the network related devices and sort out all the network related problems. Now, initially, one senior from my organization, IT Source Technologies, was also with me to guide me about that particular site location, Just Dial, and how I have to manage the network devices. After some times, he left, and I was working alone on that location, managing all the network devices. Now, ladies and gentlemen, everything was going fine, everything was going well, and the client was also very happy with my performance. After a certain period of time, my boss visited that site location. The boss of my organization, my senior, he visited that organization in order to find out whether I was working properly or not. He met with the manager of Just Dial and discussed certain crucial things with him. And when he left, he came to me and said, "Piyush, come on, let us go to cafeteria and have some coffee and lunch together. And I have to discuss something very crucial with you." I said, "Okay, sir, let's go." And we went to cafeteria, we started having lunch. And during that period, my client said to me that, "Piyush, the client is not happy with you. The client is not happy with you. They are not happy with your performance." I said, "Sir, in this organization, my task is based on daily reporting. Whatever I do in a day, I have to report it daily to the manager of Just Dial. I tell him what I did today, and he never said anything to me regarding this, that whether he is not happy with me or I'm not performing well." Then at that point, my boss from IT Source Technologies said a very beautiful thing to me, ladies and gentlemen, and this thing must be in the mind of every fresher who has recently joined any organization. This thing must be in the mind of every fresher. He told a very beautiful thing to me. He said, "Piyush, before sending you here, we gave you initial training related to what you have to do at this site location, Just Dial, and you are perfectly doing your job. That is fine." The client told me that you are perfectly doing your job, and he is very happy with your performance. But the point where he is unhappy is you don't take any initiative. I said, "Sir, what type of initiative?" And he said, "You never go to the client and you never ask him that, 'Sir, what else I can do for you? Is there any other device that I can handle for you? Is there any other technology in your organization with which you want my help as an engineer? I have an experience of 2 years. So can you tell me that in what other ways I can help you?' You never ask in this way to your client." I said, "Sir, I have a specific field of working. I have a specific area decided by the client that you have to work in this particular area. You have to look after this particular device. You have to manage this device. And I am doing it, and my client never said anything to me. So I was thinking that he is happy." At that point, my manager said that, "Piyush, when you are working as on-site support engineer at a client location, there are two major responsibilities that you must keep in your mind. The first responsibility is do your task appropriately and perfectly. Do your task perfectly. Whatever responsibilities have been assigned to you, by your organization. The manner in which you have to work at client location, always follow that manner, always do the task perfectly. But along with that, have frequent meetings with the manager, with the client. Have frequent meetings with the client and you directly ask him that, sir, is there anything else that I can do for you? Is there anything else that I can do for you? Do you want me to manage more devices? Do you want me to work on more technologies? Please let me know. And I am always happy to help you. Now, the responsibilities that you have assigned to me, I am accomplishing those responsibilities. But along with that, if you want me to do something extra, I am ready for it, sir. If you want my help in some other things within your organization, and if I think that those things are related to my profile and my knowledge and my experience, I am always willing to help you with those things. You just tell me, please. My boss said that you have to take this initiative and you have to meet your manager once a week, twice a week, and ask him directly that, sir, is there anything else that I can do for you? One more thing he said to me that, Piyush, the manager will not directly come to you and say that I need your help in other things also. The manager, the client will never come to you directly and he will say that, Piyush, help me in this particular thing and that particular thing. I want your help in other things also along with the task that you are doing. The manager will never come to you and say like this. You as an engineer will have to take the initiative and go to the manager and say that, sir, is there anything else that I can do for you? And if you behave in such a manner, the client will say that, wow, this engineer is very good, he is very nice, he is doing his job perfectly, and along with that, he wants me to help in other things also. He is a very dedicated engineer, he is a very dedicated performer. I will praise this person in front of his parent company. I will talk to his parent company and I will say that, man, you have provided me a great engineer. Ladies and gentlemen, in any kind of environment where you are a fresher, you are working as a young professional. I am not just talking about engineers. I talked about engineers because it is my personal experience that I am sharing with you. But in case of any other kind of task, if you are working as any other professional at client location, always keep this thing in your mind that the client always wants you to take initiative. The responsibilities that you are working, that you are accomplishing at client's location, that is fine, that is good, that is your responsibility. But along with that, you must have regular meetings with your client, with your boss, and you must directly ask him that, sir, ma'am, is there anything else that I can help you with? Is there anything else that I can help you with? Ladies and gentlemen, these few sentences, they will work magic. By asking in this manner, your reputation will always rise in front of the client. The client will think that he is a dedicated professional. He is already helping me in one particular thing, and he wants me to help more with other things inside the organization. He is a great personality. He is a great professional. So this is the thinking pattern of the client when you are working as a client support professional at a client organization. So ladies and gentlemen, always keep this thing in your mind. Take initiative. Go and ask your client that, sir, ma'am, is there anything else that I can do for you? It will uplift your reputation and it will enhance your reputation in your parent organization also. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you learned my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.